Now again moving on further with part 11, and in this part we can see that since other portion where we have stopped is how the heat penetration or that is cold spot or cold point. In cold spot, since other portion of canned food get more heated treatment than the cold spot, it is safe to assume that if the cold spot is sterilized, the whole can is sterilized. And it has been experimentally found that for the conduction heating pack, the cold spot it at geometrical packs, and for convection it is on the geometric axis of the can at a distance of 1/2 inch or 2 inch from the bottom of the can. This is called as cold spot. Cold spot is actually a part of the can which is not heated properly, or if we heat the can from outside, there is a point in the can which is not heated, so that is called as cold spot. The factor affecting heat penetration. What are the factors that affect the heat penetration? Heat penetration can be affected by filling, ingredient related factor, preparation related factors, or processing related factors. First we will go to the heat filling pack, that is heat penetration by temperature gradient between the can and the retort rate becoming slower as temperature difference decreases. Due to effect, cold filled can reach the retort temperature in about same time as partially heated can. Importance of hot filling the can cannot be undermined. Partially cannot be undermined, since a hot cans will reach a lethal temperature more rapidly than cold filled cans. Another factor affecting heat penetration is ratio of solid to liquid and arrangement of solids in the liquid. Solid loosely packed in liquid will heat more rapidly than when it is tightly packed. Ingredient related factor. Fatty tissues are poor conductor of heat compared to lean tissues. Substances which undergo change of state during heating, that is sol to gel, will adversely affect rate of heat penetration. Solid absorbing water changing solid to liquid ratio in the can is another factor affecting the heat penetration. Now preparation related factor. Partially thawed frozen material will cause considerable temperature lag differences in handling practices over those tested in laboratory or pilot scales, also factor causing changes in heat penetration.